Let's have another example of composite function. And let us evaluate f of g of 6 given that f of x is equal to 5x plus 4 and g of x equals x minus 3. So from here, we are going now to find out the exact value of f of g of 6. However, to solve this, we need to find out first the value of f of g of x using the corresponding values. Okay, so here we have here our solution. We have f of g of x. Okay, so again our outer function is f of x and our inner function is g of x. Now our outer function 5x plus 4, we have 5x, but your x here will be replaced by x minus 3. So we have x minus 3 then plus 4. So here let us just no, let us just distribute. So we have 5x, then 5 times minus 3, that would become minus 15, then plus 4. So we have here 5x, then minus 15 plus 4, that would be equal to minus 11. So this is now the value of f of g of x. Now, to find out the value of f of g of 6, we are going to replace now your 6 by 6. So here, the value now would become 5 times 6 minus 11. So this is equal now to 30 minus 11. This is equal to 19. So the answer of f of g of 6 is equal to 19. Okay? Let's have another. So let's say here, we are going to find out the value of this. Let's say we have g of x. We have g of x is equal to, we have 2x plus 8. Then we have your f of x is equal to 8x squared. We are going to find out the value of f of g of x. Okay? So what do you think is the value? Again, our main function here is your f of x, which is equal to 8x squared. Then our inner function g of x, which is equal to 2x plus 8. Okay, so again, we are going to express your f of g of x into another form. So we have f of g of x, or the inner function g of x is the outer function of f. That is the other way of reading this. So here, let us simplify. Our main function is 8x squared. However, your x here, we are going to use this 2x plus 1. So we have 8, then we have 2x plus 8 squared. So here we are going to use our FOIL method. This one we are going to use your FOIL method. Okay? So simplifying this further, we have now 8 multiplied by 4x squared plus, this will become 32x plus 64. Okay? So let us distribute 8 times 4. That would become 32x squared plus 8 times 32. 8 times 32. That would be equal to 256x plus, then 8 times 64. That would be equal to 512. So this is now the answer for f of g of x. So I'm gonna show you how did we get 4x squared plus 32x plus 64. I mentioned that you are going to use your FOIL method. So we have here, let's say, 2x plus 8 is squaring this. by using your laws of exponent, this can be written as 2x plus 8. Okay? Because we are going to use your exponent 2 by simply multiplying the base 2x plus 8 twice. So we have 2x times 2x, that would become 4x squared. Then 2x times 8, we have 16x. Then 8 times 2x, that would also be equal to 16x. Then 8 times 8, that would be equal to 64. So here, let us just combine like terms. 4x squared doesn't have any pair at all because we only have x squared, and x squared doesn't have any uh, term. Then 16x plus 16x, we have plus 32x plus 64. Okay, so that is now the simplification of this, squaring 2x plus 8. Okay.